In this tutorial, I'll show you how to model and render this UAP mesh in 8 minutes. Tab, to go to edit mode. Right-click and S to subdivide a few times like this. Let's randomly select the vertices. I'll go with 5%. S to scale. Let's repeat this a couple of times and create a randomly spiked cube mesh. Time to create a UV sphere. Please match my settings. Select the cube, and Shift-D to duplicate. Shift-select the duplicate mesh with the UV sphere. Ctrl-P to parent it. Let's instance the mesh on the vertices. I'll select the original sphere, right-click, and S to smooth. Let's select the duplicated cube, and add the wireframe modifier. Now we can select and scale the original sphere. There's one important step to take, before adding the wireframe modifier. Wireframe modifier did this to the mesh instances, so we must make them real before applying the modifier first. Let's undo. With the duplicated mesh selected, Ctrl-A to make instances real. M to put them in a new collection. If we add the modifier after making the instances real first, then we can bypass the previous issue. Let's add the materials. I'll change the theme, so I can see better. I'll disable the transparency setting, so we can see the sky. I'll use the sky texture. Let's turn off Use Nodes under Compositing. I'll also use 32 samples to render. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.